We're out here. So today we are kayaking the coves off of the Intracoastal Waterway. We are near Topsail Island, or we were right behind Topsail Island right now. Forecast a little windier than expected, but looks like it's supposed to die down a little bit, so we're just going to put around here and see if we can get on a couple of fish and just have fun out here. I'd love to say it's a beautiful day, but I'll take the cloud covers. The wind is not our friend. But thank you guys for watching. Curious on the setup I'm using today, drop me a comment down below. I am on a native Slayer Max 12.5, a little bit of an older model, but man, this thing is a beast. So let me know, and yeah, I'll do a deeper dive on it. turned out to be more of a workout than it was anything. Fighting the wind. No fish, but you know, some went back up into the creek, had some beautiful scenery, beautiful views. So yeah, I will take it, and much love. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all the new adventures. Appreciate you.